So there we have it, black wing mount on. No black wing mount on. In the front, badgeless. Nice. All for about 30 quid. And took me about half an hour to do. Nice cheap little quick mod for this. We're going to remove this front grille. It's got a blank for this. It's covered in mesh as well, so let a bit more air in. And it just looks a bit more modded from having that. So first we're going to take off this. I've already loosened it. You can literally just pull it off. And need a screwdriver for this little part here. So it's just like a little clip that comes up, and then you've got to prise this apart. That's that off. We've got a bonnet tab. It's got two little clips in there that you have to push, and that gives us our bonnet tab. This is the new front grille. To replace that one, I think it's about 20 quid off Amazon. And yeah, see how that goes, like that. And it's got the mesh behind it. I'm just got to put the bonnet clip in. Simple, 20 quid. Make the car look way better. I'm just going to feel that it comes in. Get the plastic bit. Get the metal grill. That comes with these screws. Put it on the plastic, not scratch the plastic too much, I'm not too fussed though. I'll put this on here. And then put the screws through the holes. We'll find them in a minute. So. That looks pretty nice. And the bonnet catch goes in just like that. And we'll install on here. So do the bonnet catch back up again. This has got to go on these runs in between that pin. It's got two holes in the end. It goes in between the pin and you flip this latch back down on it. Then it literally just clips back into place. And there we go, debadged. More breathing for the radiator. 20 quid or something. Bargain, I say. Bargain. So I've also got these that are damaged. And I'm going to replace them. Paid £10 or something off Amazon. Two black ones. I should just pull off. And these are that simple. Just pop them over the top. try and do it one-handed. There we go. And that's it. It's all nice and snug. Go. Bit of persuasion. Huh? Yeah, I do a bit of YouTube on there now. Done a few bits and pieces on here, changing the alternator, doing I can't remember what other bits. I think I've done about 6 episodes on it now. Got to do the PD injectors next. That'll be fun. Haven't even took the cam cover off yet.
You know how to set up a YouTube channel then?
Yeah. Yeah, I got 2.
Yeah, I need one.
What for?
For me?
Yeah. What, to your daily life?
Not really, no.
What for? So there we have it. Black wing mount on. Little black wing mount on. And the front, fabulous. Nice. All for about 30 quid. And took me about half an hour to do. To the next job, which is probably going to be this nice front mounted intercooler. Need to get it MOT'd first before I stick anything like that on there.